Woman shot and taken out at wake and three others injured in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman was shot dead and three others injured during an attack by gunmen at a night in Central Village, St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that the deceased female arrived on the island Thursday to bury her mother and was at the wake that was being held in Spalding in a section of the mentioned community when gunmen invaded the event. Sources report that armed men opened fire at the group of people before escaping. The police were called, and during a search of the area, 4 people were found suffering from gunshot wounds. The injured were rushed to the hospital, where one person succumbed to her injuries and was identified to be the person that was actually hosting the wake. The other victims in the group were admitted to hospital. The attack comes days after a separate incident where 2 people, one of which is said to be the sister of Ananda Dean, were shot and taken out, and 2 others injured in the same parish. There are no reports of connection between the 2 cases. The police are continuing the investigation. Continuing the news. Motorists warn Melrose bypass in Manchester block. The police are advising members of the public that the Melrose bypass in porous Manchester is blocked by a trailer which torn down wires in the area. The road is impassable at this time and delays are expected, the police said in a release on Saturday. Motorists are being advised to use alternative route where possible. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to come on this. Continuing the news. Tom Sahira clocked 10.94 in Kingston, Jamaica after Birmingham withdrawal. 5-time Olympic gold medalist Elaine Thompson-Herrock won the women's 100 meter in an impressive 10.94 seconds at the JAA SDF Jubilee Series at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica on Saturday. The Olympic 100 and 200 meter champion surprisingly turned up for the meet after pulling out of the Birmingham Diamond League, which was also scheduled for the same day. Thompson's Iraq management team stated that the decision was taken out of an abundance of caution after the sprinter experienced some discomfort in training while preparing for what would have been her Diamond League season debut. She was due to compete in the 100 meter against a field including her fellow Jamaican Olympic bronze medalist Shericka Jackson and Royal silver medalist Diana Asher-Smith of Great Britain. Asher-Smith, the British record holder, won the 100 meter in the Birmingham Diamond League in 11.11 seconds to beat Jackson, who clocked 11.12 seconds. Continuing the news. New York City resident tests positive for the monkeypox virus. A New York City resident has tested positive for the virus that causes the monkeypox, state health official announced on Friday. The unidentified person is isolated and treated as a case of positive while waiting for confirmation from the Centers of Disease Control. New York public health officials said that Thursday they were investigating 2 potential cases of the monkeypox, a rare virus seen outside of Africa that can cause flu-like symptoms. Testing ruled out the other case, the state official department said. The apparent infection in New York comes as the World Health Organization identified about 80 cases globally and roughly 50 more suspected cases. Health officials in Massachusetts confirmed its first case of the monkeypox on May the 18th. People with severe cases can develop rash on the face, hands, and other parts of the body. Continuing the news. New York State and city officials will try to determine how the New York patient was infected. City scientists have begun reaching out to people who have may come in contact with the infected person. The virus originates in the primates and wild animals and causes fever, body ache, chills, and fatigues in most patients. Continuing the news, yet another educator has passed away. Students and staff at the Charlemont High School in Ewerton, St. Catherine are now in mourning following the passing of Senior Vice Principal Jennifer Giddon. Giddon, who was aged 62, passed away after a protracted illness. She started at the high school in September 1988 and was appointed to the post of vice principal in September 2006. She was described by her colleagues as a great person who brought out the best in those she came in contact with. Vice Principal Mark Ware, who worked with Gideon for 20 years, told reporters that she had impacted the lives of students and staff, noting that the school had a special place in her heart. Miss Gideon became the seventh teacher to pass away in Jamaica in an 8-day period. She passed away while en route to hospital on Wednesday. President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Winston Simmet, expressed concern and noted that most of the cases are sudden death. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.